Okay, so the last time I did this was in January, and I want to do it again. So we're going to rank Roblox bedwars kits. Some are good, some are bad. We've obviously had 2 seasons since January. Is it gonna let me scroll? Oh, okay, now it does. Yeah. These are all the kits in the game currently. Wait, is it? It might be. Let's do missing. Yeah. These are all the kits in the game right now. So yeah, let's rank them all. Okay, so let's start. Oh wait, before anything, I just want to put Yuzi in really good because she's like the most annoying kit. She always gets the first hit off of you, and it's just so annoying to have her in the game. So yeah, now let's rank the rest of the kits. Okay, so we have Airy kit. Ooh, this is gonna be an interesting one because Airy, it's I'd say really good, except it got like a huge nerf. If it still had the nerf, it would probably be in like bad, but because she got a decent buff, I'll probably put her at the top of really good. I'd say she's like a really good kit. A lot of people use her, except the 10 minus HP is a huge disadvantage, and it sucks in early game. It's good for late game though. Axolotl kit, mid. It's not that good. It's fine. You can win fights. You can win fights when you get outgeared by like 1 or something. But yeah, that's the only reason you can win. Archer kit. A lot of people underestimate this kit. This one I'd probably say is like at the bottom of really good because the fact that it does 25% more projectile damage. You realize tactical crossbow costs less than the actual crossbow, and it doesn't require armory. You kind of see what I'm saying here? Plus the 25% projectile damage. This thing can do so much for only 6 emeralds, not even armory. So honestly, I might even just put this in the godly. It's actually really good. I should buy this. Alright, next we have Aries. Mid. Probably the best in mid. Because, I just did a video about it. It's mid. It's not that good. Baker Kit. Baker Kit's okay for ranked. So I'll probably put it in like good, kinda. Yeah. Barbarian, we're putting this right here in godly. I have to say, if you get Rage Blade, it's really, really good. It's definitely better than Archer. Alright, we have Beekeeper. This is a kind of, I'd say it's better than Baker. It's one of the best farming kits in my opinion. You can get emeralds really easily. Bounty Hunter. Bad. Okay, I'll tell you why. Because this thing used to only be good for duels, and now just like no one uses it, and it doesn't even do that much. Plus miner's better. So let me just go ahead and find miner quickly. A miner. Let me just go ahead and put this one in the top of mid. Or actually, I'll probably put this like right here. Probably, yeah. It's a good spot for it. Alchemist. One of the most underrated kits. Because this thing, you can make a sleep splash potion, and you can like stun your opponent, and you can just get the first couple hits on them. That's why I think this kit is really good. I don't know about you guys, I just really like the Alchemist kit. I don't use it that much, but trust me, from my experience, I mean, it's not my playstyle. All these kits kind of depend on what playstyle you are. It's kind of like a farming kit, kind of not. But like, it's so good for that purpose. Okay. Farmer Cletus. I used to think, when, like, in the Elder Tree update, oh my god. In the Elder Tree update, in my opinion, where did it go? Oh, it's right here. In the Elder Tree update, I thought that this is, like, the best kit, but that was before Barbarian's buff and Archer's thing. Now this kit is trash. Like, you have to spend so many emeralds to get so many emeralds. Conquer. This kit is good. It's better than these two. It's not the best though, because the defense banner sucks. But you can give the banners to other people, and probably because of that I'll put like right here maybe. Yeah. Croco Wolf. It used to be good. I'll put it at the top of bad. It's not good anymore. Cyber. Oh god, this is gonna be a hard one. Feels like this is another like really annoying kit. But again, if it's annoying, that means it's good, so I'll probably have to put it. It's more annoying than Yuzi. Is it though? Yeah, it is. I'll have to put it like right there. Pirate Dave. No. Metal Detector. I don't really like this one, but I see a lot of people use it. And because of that, I think I'm just gonna put it at the top of good. Yeah. Dino Chamber. This one's amazing for breaking beds if you're good at that stuff. I'll probably put it at the bottom. Better than Alchemist. Yeah. Elder Tree. Another very underrated kit. Probably put it at the top of mid because it's really good for duels, but for everything else it's not that good. Ember. It used to be like right here, but now it's like right here. It's fine. It's not the best. It's not mid either. Actually, no, it is. I changed my mind. It's like right here. Yeah, that's good. Fisher. This kit is like, you can get so many emeralds with this thing. I'll probably have to put this like right here. Like it's just that good. Fright. Oh my god. Probably the top of trash. It's not that good, let's be honest. Snowman kit. This is trash. It would have been like right here if it had the slowness effect still, but since it doesn't, it's gonna be right there. Maybe like second best in trash. Yeah. Gingerbread. All this kit does is put a bounce pad. Okay, like I know it's good for clutching, but it doesn't do like anything besides make you jump higher, which in the long run doesn't really even help. So I'll probably make this as one of the worst kits. Gompy. Okay, Gompy is also a very underrated kit. I don't use it that much. When I do use it, you can fire ghosts out like pretty easily, and they do like a lot of damage actually. So I'll have to put this at like second best mid. Decent kit. Jack, they fixed the duping, so it's bad. It's just really bad. So I'll probably put it in trash. Jade. This used to be like right here. Now it's right here. Yeah. No, even Ares is better than it. That's sad. Lassie kit. It used to be like right here. But now it's actually like right here probably. It's actually a really good kit. Because you can lasso someone and then they can get like 2 extra hits on you. It's crazy OP. Lumen. Okay. This is like the worst version of Ember. But because it's hot, I'll probably put it right here. Melody. It works with Barbarian. If it's not with Barbarian, it's like right here because you can only heal yourself. If like no, that means it's more useless. If doing it solos, it's the most useless thing because you can only heal yourself whenever you heal other people. So honestly, it's even worse than their gingerbread. Like, but if you're doing it with like a Barbarian like doubles, it's like right here. So I'll probably just put it in mid just for these reasons. Oh, this kit sucks. Okay, Nyx, I'm gonna save that for a little later because I want to rank some of these other ones first. Probably put that like around here. Pyro, this is a very underrated kit as well. It's only good for like 30v30, so I'll probably just put it like right here. Raven, no, just I don't really like this one. Grim Reaper, this one is actually amazing. Let me tell you why you can win so many solos games with this. Well, actually, I think I'll put it at like basically like I think the best are really good, I think is like a good idea. Because like, oh wait, I forgot Air's a thing. But yeah, so I'll put second best in really good. This kit is amazing. You can just win so much with it, but actually I don't really think it's god tier. If Aries right here, it's gonna be hard. It's hard for these kinds of kits to pass Airy. I'm just saying this in like damage wise, kind of. The only reason Airy isn't right here is because the fact that she sucks for late game. I mean early game, and then she's only good if you somehow are really good at comboing. If you're not, then you'll never get a kill, and she'll be useless. And for you, she'd probably be like right here. I don't have her, so I've never played with her, but I've seen from videos. I know exactly how she works. She can be really bad at sometimes, but she's not that good. Still really good though, like, but not like the best of the best. Okay, this is like one step ahead of Jade. It got the nerf as well. So yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Santa, it's basically a worse version of Dino Tamer. So I'll probably just put that like in mid, like the bottom or second last in mid, because yeah, this kit's a thing. Sheep Herder, it's basically airy but a little worse. So probably gonna put that in like in the top of good kind of. Infernal Shielder, this got a huge buff, but it's still kind of mid. I got it gifted to me from someone, thank God. Smoke Kit, this is trash. Like, who uses this? Trapper Kit, okay. Spirit Catcher, godly. I'll probably put her like right here. Do you want to know why I think this? I don't care about what the community says. This kit is godly. You can block any projectile move. Like, throw an arrow, or I'm not even sure if it projects a fireball. If it does, that's crazy OP. You can use the spirits in the shield, anything comes near it, it automatically attacks them. It chases after them. Someone falls in the void and you throw a spirit at them, like in the have balloons, it like literally flies up to them. Like, okay, listen, if someone has balloons and they're like ballooning up kind of, and like you throw a spear on like the wall kind of, the spirit chases after the person with balloons. No matter how many speed pies they have or whatever, the spirit just runs, doesn't stop until they catch up to them, and then pops like all their balloons and deals like 15 damage. And you can spirit spam them, so it deals like 100 damage. That's why the kit is so good, but still not better than Barbarian. Oh, okay, this is an interesting one. Nyx. I'd say Nyx is like S tier, not better than Air. Okay. To be honest, a lot of my friend group is gonna hate me for saying this. I'm not even sure if it's the community. Or I actually think it's like this kind of Grim Reaper's, I think, a little bit better for like solos. This is a good like squads kit. This is also a good squads kit. I think that Nyx, it's a little worse than Airy. I kind of want to make a video about it, but like I need an account that has Airy. So if anyone wants to like help me, that I can use to like test. I can do like a proof video kind of. I feel like Airy, it's good, but if you don't get any kills, then it's just useless, and you just have minus 10 HP. But if you get lucky and you get like a couple kills early game, it can be like way better than this kit. But the reason that it might be better than this is, okay, let's be honest. If there's a Nyx and an Airy right next to each other, kind of like on opposite sides, or like right next to each other, like they're the teams next to each other. If they rush, Nyx is gonna win. I mean, any kit would win because they have 100 HP. But then they kill her like twice. It gets midnight. They kill Airy, then get the bed. To be honest, like there's not really one that's better. This one, if you are this kit is only good if you're like good at comboing. If you're bad at comboing, it's like it's like down here, because like I mean I'm decent at comboing. I could probably combo players, but any of these kits right here could outplay this in the first one. And basically, if she doesn't like, it is so hard to explain. I don't even get this anymore. Alright, I didn't have time to make the rest of the video because I only get 15 minutes, but this is my whole ranking. Oh yeah, so the video is about to end, but I think Zephyr's the best kit because Yes.